Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
We decided to do a little vlog. It's essentially, I don't know what we'll call it. You'll see the title. But we are redoing Clint's parents' room.
Yeah.
One of our spare rooms.
Sure.
So, let's go in there. So, right now I'm working in here, and it's a bit of a mess. But there's no flooring in here at the moment. Plain ass white walls.
No one likes white walls.
These wardrobe doors we took off last night.
They look like this.
They look like that. It's an ugly color scheme, a bad gray color, and a cream. I don't know who did that. So we're redoing the cabinets, and we will be painting walls. There's the paint in the cubby there. But it's a work day for me. I mean, it's also a work day for Clint, but he has a little break at the moment.
It's true.
So he's going to do some handiwork.
So I'll show you a couple things here and there.
Yeah. And so we'll just we'll show you this room.
Hello, everyone. So I'm going to start refacing these doors. So we're sanding them down a little bit so we can paint a little better. And I've already completed a little frame that we're going to put on there. So I'm kind of testing out my skills, if you will. So here we go. Here goes nothing.
We did the first layer of paint on the cupboards / wardrobe.
Sure did.
Clint is skeptical.
Highly.
But to be fair, Clint has never done white over not white substance previously. And I think it'll be fine. You probably can't even tell on the camera. But so the cupboards were gray and cream, like a dark cream, like a beige. And, you know, you can see through the white. That's one layer. We're probably going to have to do 3, but I think that's normal. We're trying to get 1 layer done before we go to the grocery store this morning. And then we'll do another layer later today. Maybe paint the walls?
I don't know. I think the walls might be one off.
Much longer than we anticipated.
It's true. So as a joke, baratas, paints, and whatever's, put marshmallow sauce into a can and then soak into it. So I'm going to go back to Lindsay Lili.
But also the wardrobes required 5 layers of paint.
5 coats, people.
Doors are still off, but it looks good-ish now. And we're gonna do the walls, and we'll show you the color once we open it on up. But first, we have to deal with this water damage bullshit. Okay, so we're gonna pour the paint now, and I guarantee that the color is going to look pink on camera. It's not pink. Don't worry. It's a dusty lavender. That's what it is. You'll see.
Hey, but what do you think?
Your mom's gonna like it? Does it look pink on the camera?
I mean, it looks purplish. Hey, look at this room. Check it out. So today, we're going to be putting everything back together. Listening to our own echo. We got new fixtures, we got new light sockets, we got everything painted, the ceiling and the walls, and the wardrobe. The doors are downstairs, you've already seen some of that. So we're going to do a little bit of musical chairs in the house, so there's the next room.
Spare bedroom number 2. We should have done this before, but we fixed a bunch of, well, we're in the process of fixing a bunch of water damage on the ceiling here in the entry and in the bathroom, and then there's a bunch of water damage over by the window. So we bought this special stuff, don't really know what it is, but we bought it and we put it on there. So now we just have to repaint the whole entire bathroom that's not tile. This is our friend Rachel's room, and she's staying in the other room that is now painted until we're done with this room.
Yep.
What do you think? It's nighttime.
I think painting is for the birds, but it looks nice when it's done.
Yeah.
Can't complain too much.
It's better than hiring someone.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do this now. It's late. Hey. It's too late. But we're starting painting now because we're idiots.
Screw it.
I have taken some headache medicine.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 7:30.
Is it that late already? Yeah. So we're gonna paint this room. It's white now. It's about to be a light bluish.
Yeah, let's open paint.
All right.
So this is the second coat of the blue. Clint and I are both rather disappointed with the blue. Although on camera it doesn't look as bad.
This is as if we were painting a gender reveal.
We don't have a gender reveal, and we're not going to have a nursery. We have cats.
There are 2 boy cats though, so think about that.
Well, blue isn't for boys. Blue's my favorite color.
Uh-huh.
But, you know what? Could be worse.